Same with PLDT. I think don't know with the winner over the other, but I think maybe top 2
for sure.
because Creamline is already 6-11.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Kat Bell and Coach Cooper Reyes of the Cerritico Crows won in 5 sets against the PLDT High School hitters. Coach, congratulations on this big win over PLDT. Anong masasabi mo sa naging overall performance ng team tonight?
Ang maganda, nanalo kami, pero yung adjustment namin, so lumabas na ulit. Ang very unfortunate lang, may nararamdaman na si Ara dun sa calf niya, pero again, win is a win. Yung ginagawa namin sa training, yung adjustment, firm adjustment, so yun naman. So luckily, si Bailin, supposedly, nag-ano kami ng tao nag-preserve kami ng tao. Kasi medyo mahaba-haba pa yung liga. And ito, nakuha namin yung panalo, so big win for us kasi nga, yung doon sa standing, at least nandun kami sa top 3. So I think tayo na kami sa score ni PLDT, so may mga remaining games pa. So, and back to balik ulit kami sa ensayo.
Thank you, Coach. And for Kat, you poured out 39 points today against PLDT. You did bounce back in this match. What are your thoughts? How are you feeling now?
I mean, yeah, 39 points is alright, but I just, had a lot of errors tonight, which I wish I wouldn't have had. I think obviously the goal was to get 3 points tonight, and I'll take 2. But 39 points is cool, but I really don't like the errors honestly as much. I think I probably have like maybe 10. But yeah, but I feel good. I'm glad we got the win tonight, and that's a positive note.
Thank you, Kat. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, yung lang pakiramdam na ma-coach yung ganitong klaseng player kagaya ni Kat, 39 points. Kumbaga number 5 na sa liga na record yung 39 points in a single game.
I think mas kaya pang Kat can do more.
Yeah, I should have done like 50. Like I said,
Yeah,
that's errors.
she can do more. So that's normal with her. Just like minsan kasi siyempre shuffle din ng bola namin, kailangan namin pagtrabuhin yung local. Pero mostly talagang pagkagalingan ng bonus namin moving forward. So Kat's very reliable from floor defense, net defense, and especially during attack. Too much power for her.
Okay, so like what was said, so your 39 points is like 5th in the league all time for the most in a single game. So how important is it for you to set the standard not only in the league but also for your team, especially you're a championship contender now, and having you as a captain and a leading scorer has impacted the team significantly so far?
Yeah, I mean, it's obviously really important, but that next stuff kind of matters tonight. We have to kind of use obviously the bad things that we did tonight to obviously to get better. So I mean, yeah, 39 points is cool, and the win is even better. But I'm looking forward to obviously getting back in practice, and that's just getting better. We just have a lot of things that we need to talk about and clean up a little bit. And I think the further along we get, the better we'll be. We don't need to peak right now. We still have a lot of games left, so I'm just looking forward to us, making our way.
Coach, bounce back win nga to, galing kayo sa talo previously. Ano na siguro yung mga naging point of concern after nung talo na yun, at parang sabi niyo hindi na dapat maulit pagdating na susunod na laro?
I think yung miscommunication namin, yung stiffness, especially nung game against Creamline, andun pero yung decisiveness to get a point, to get a block, medyo stiff kasi too much aggressive pero wala naman sa timing. So yun ang pinag-usapan namin, and shout out kay Chang Abi kasi yung intact ng team kasi yun ang pinanghahawakan namin. So nagagawa niya yung as a local captain ball namin. So everything fine kasi nga si Mylin's getting better. Maganda na yung yung condition. So hopefully magdire-diretso. Again, yung transition namin, yung adjustment, yung rotation namin, supposedly bandang dulo pa sana namin gagamitin. So pagdating nga sana ng quarterfinals, Mylin will step in. Ngayon napaaga kasi nga usapan namin pag hindi masyado nag-deliver yung opposite, I think yung ka-diagonal ni Kat sa local, pag hindi masyado nag-maximize, or I mean hindi nag-deliver masyado from net to floor defense, even attack. So I think ilalabas namin yung rotation namin ito. So fortunately tumama yung yung galawan namin ngayon kahit sa 5 sets. So maganda kasi na-activate na halos lahat ng play.
Can't you talk about having some errors, but the team only had 15 tonight.
10 were mine.
So what were the things that you saw that you think you could improve more on?
I think the biggest thing is like defense with us. We get great block touches, but I think we tend to get stuck in our defensive position. So just making sure we're making a better read on, being reactive on the balls we're getting touched and kind of going long. Individually, I think tonight was just like dumb hiccups. My body's kind of tired and I'm stepping on the line and hit a few balls, bombed a few balls in the net. But again, that's just like lack of focus for one, and also just like I'm kind of tired. But besides that, I think it's just, like I said, little individual things that we can do as a team just to get better. The blocking was a lot better than tonight, I think, than it was versus Creamline. But again, that's also something we can still get better at.
For Coach, your next game will be against Farfetch. Sa ngayon, on a winning streak. Galleries. At paano lang makatulong itong win na to heading into that match?
Well, upcoming match namin is Gallery. Siyempre magandang buwelo, magandang momentum para sa amin para bago matapos itong sa bracket namin. Is makuha ulit namin yung panalo kasi nga nandun kami sa top 3. Hopefully kahit makatapos kami ng number 2 sa bracket, or kung magtatay kami ng sa points, at least makuha namin top 1. But again, ang importante is active rest for tomorrow, and we will go back for Monday para sa preparation sa game versus Galleries.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, guys. Congratulations.